Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 1 ton per day capacity seawater flake ice machine. This is the machine. This machine can make 1 ton of ice flakes from a seawater in marine working condition within every 24 hours. The machine with the split design, the ice generator and the cooling unit, they are separated from each other and they will be located in different areas in the fishing boat. So they can fit in the limited space in the fishing boat. As you can see, both the ice generator and the cooling unit are with the stainless steel 316 enclosures, and all the components are well protected from rain, sea wind. They are working in the best condition, and that's guarantee the longest service time. All the plates are removable, like this place, that place, this one, and this one. They are removable, so the maintenance can become very easy and more convenient. Like this. Now we can see the inside of the machines. This is the machine's compressor, Bitzer. This is the machine's seawater condenser. It's made of alpaca tubes and a stainless steel 316 ends, so that is completely anti-corrosive to seawater. This is the machine's control panel. It's made of 100% stainless steel 316. And let's check the control panel from the inside. This is the ice generator. Let's check the inside of the ice generator. This is the ice blade. And there is the ice scraper behind the ice blade. The ice blade and the ice scraper works together to remove all the ice. Everything is made of a stainless steel 316. We can hear the sound when the ice blade works on the ice layer. The ice scraper makes sure all the ice falls down. Okay, and the ice is very well frozen. The salty ice made from seawater directly.